In this video, I'll show you exactly how to buy games from Instant Gaming step by step. If you've never used this platform before, don't worry. This guide is made especially for beginners. First, open your web browser and go to the Instant Gaming website. This platform sells digital game keys for PC, PlayStation, Xbox, and other gaming platforms, often at lower prices than official stores. The first thing you need to do is create an account. At the top of the website, click on Sign Up or Register. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and complete the registration process. You may receive a verification email, so open your inbox and confirm your account. Once you're logged in, use the search bar at the top of the page to find the game you want to buy. You can type the game's name directly or browse by platforms such as Steam, PlayStation, or Xbox. When you see the game you want, click on it to open the product page. This page is very important. Here, you'll see the price, platform, edition of the game, and region information. Always double check that the game key matches your platform and works in your country. For example, a Steam key will only work on Steam, and some keys are region locked. If everything looks correct, click the Add to Cart or Buy Now button. This will take you to the checkout page. Review your order carefully to make sure you selected the right game and version. Next, choose your payment method. Instant Gaming usually supports credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, and sometimes other local payment options. Select your preferred method and enter the required payment details. After you complete the payment, wait for the confirmation. Once the purchase is successful, the game key will be added to your account. Go to your profile and open the My Orders or My Games section. There you will find the digital code. Now you can redeem the key on the correct platform. For example, if it's a Steam key, open Steam, go to the top menu, select Games, then activate a product on Steam, and enter the code. After activation, the game will appear in your library, ready to download and play. That's it. That's how you buy a game from Instant Gaming safely and correctly. Always check platform and region details before paying to avoid problems. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and watch more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.